So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, and I think it's one of the hottest or the trending topic in the IT industry. What is AWS? AWS basically provides your application a cloud platform for storing and running and hosting your application or the application specific data and all. So why AWS? Since we have other cloud platform provider, so why exactly we are going with the AWS? Why we are not going with the other cloud platform like your DigitalOcean and all? So AWS provides some better services the top of the other platform provider, like you just need to give the money for the computation time on AWS. So what exactly I mean by computation time is like you just need to pay for the time during which your application services has run. Okay, this is one of the most important benefit that I think the AWS provides us, and apart from that it provides us the scalability. So what exactly I mean by this scalability is like, let's suppose right now the traffic on your website is like 1000 per day. So let's suppose in some days, in the coming days, it causes to around 1 million. So in that case, if you have hosted it on your servers, so you have to scale up your servers. You have to increase the RAM or the storage or the hard disk and or the CPU. So if you have hosted your application on AWS, then you don't have to bother about all these things, because AWS will take care about all these things itself. It will scale up your environment as per the traffic. So this is one of the most important benefit that we are getting out of AWS. Okay, and also it's reliable. Basically AWS is being AWS servers are present across the globe, so it's reliable in that sense. Okay, let's suppose if your data is hosted on one server, so let's suppose in for any reason that data get lost, so in that case that data can be recovered from some other servers, so it's reliable in that sense. Okay, and also it provides thousands of services that might require your application to run, and you don't have to go and to anywhere for any service. You just name and AWS will provide you that service. So, okay, so this is what the AWS giving us. So in the next video I'm going to talk about how you need to log in on the AWS, and what are the services that AWS is providing us. Okay, thanks for watching this video.